Hello everyone, welcome to our beautiful island, Castaway Cay. In a few minutes, we'll be arriving at our final destination, right in the heart of paradise, Pelican Point Tram stop. There you'll find Family Beach and the Snorkeling Lagoon, Heads Bar, Sandbar, Pelican Plunge, our exciting water slide, Spring Leap, our freshwater play area, flippers and floats to snorkel and float rental, bicycle route to explore our bike trails and observation tower. In the shade games, hair braiding, Bahamian retail for local arts and crafts, by the seashore for shopping, high octanes only, beach cabanas number 1 through 21, and full of summertime breeze for our delicious smoothies. As a reminder, lunch is served between 11:30 a.m. and 2 p.m. at two locations, Cookies Barbecue and Cookies Stew. Please remember to drink lots of water and use your sunscreen. For guests continuing to Serenity Bay, please wait at Pelican Point Tram stop. The tram to Serenity Bay will be along shortly. Please remain seated until the tram comes to a complete stop. Again, welcome to Disney's Castaway Cay. Have a great day, and remember to listen to the ship's whistle. It will signal the final tram. See you later, and have lots of fun.
Please stay seated until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. Gather all your belongings and take small children by the hand. Lower your head and watch your step as you disembark. Thank you and have a magical day.